Do you have clients who have developed polycystic ovary syndrome? Or are you one of the 5 to 15% of women of reproductive age who suffer from it? How can you alter your food intake to reduce the symptoms? Hi, and welcome to this Megabite online nutrition course on polycystic ovary syndrome, also known as PCOS. This course is presented by Peter Adams, who is an accredited practicing dietitian from Australia. Peter presents a detailed history and definition of PCOS and how it ties in with insulin resistance, androgen excess, and other factors to reduce the rate of conception. She outlines the latest research evidence on micronutrients and supplements that can help with this condition. This is an excellent presentation for anyone needing to know more about polycystic ovary syndrome. Peter's extensive experience enables her to give a lot of advice and practical tips on nutrition interventions and meal plans to help your clients achieve their goals, such as a healthy pregnancy. This course is approved by the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics as 2 CPEU hours at level 3. As with all Megabite courses, you get an online multiple choice questionnaire to test your knowledge before and after, and a self-study reflection form, and a certificate of completion to add to your professional learning portfolio. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link to get started now.